everybody, welcome to a video. Apparently another video. So today we're gonna be playing some Pixel Gun. So yeah, my friend is here, and I'm gonna be playing outside, so I might be a little loud. But let's just get ready for the video. So if you guys want to play Pixel Gun does take up a lot of storage. It is a pretty big game, so you better be prepared, but it is very fun, most likely just like Black Ops. So yeah, you guys, please subscribe to Katana Flex. If you want to find him, look up Katana Flex, Pixel Gun. Go to the channels and it will pop up. The one with the blue in the background and the Katana. Yeah. So this was just a little introducing, not really an introduction, but my second video. The screen recording that I'm using is Airshare. And it's basically, you need a root access, but that's not very hard to get. Just download some root. You guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful day.
Smack that red button in the face.
Yes, smack it right in the face. If you don't, you're gonna take a nap, turn into a rat. I've got a cat named Pat. I'm not a rat, guys. But I'm just trying to be funny. And yes, this is a little introducing, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.